down there, see what the situation is.
Okay.
I'll go all the way to the road if it's open.
Yeah, the gate's open. So Rob is walking to the gate that I cleared earlier. I was supposed to make sure I did a good job, but I did. So, shouldn't have a problem. I left it open. And this is just a little look at our trailer situation. We're pretty loaded up here, but Rob said the tires are rated for 2,000 pounds each, and there's several of them, so we should be good. Move some of the stuff from the truck to the trailer just to take a load off the back tires because those are a little bit squishy. We are abandoning the transport by board situation because we already drove off, so it doesn't seem worth it. Anywho, that's it. That's a trailer full of sawmill. Jeez Louise. It's only 1:30, but it's been a long couple of days. I'm just gonna do one more pass through. This is mine. As you can see, we left a couple of beams that just simply wouldn't fit, and those will come with us along with the shaft over here when we pick up the big diesel engine. Should be in a couple months. Maybe it warms up a little bit. Here it is. This was the sawmill. And it looks like we didn't forget anything. It did start to drizzle a little bit. So we might end up tarping the trailer. Rob left without me, so that's exciting. Guess he's feeling good. Okay.